towards me too. Okay. Oh, the lighting in here is so terrible. We just woke up. Yeah. Yeah. So, this is our pajamas. How am I supposed to... Okay, can you move over a little? How am I supposed to get seen? Oh, I think I this way. Oh, that's good. I don't know.
So, today...
My hair's a mess.
So is mine.
So where's my hoodie?
And then this is my hoodie.
Oh, I'm going. Okay. It's like opposite from here. I don't know. Okay, so
right there.
Now I'm in the middle. Okay. So today we are playing Acting Out. Okay.
Act out and
So
sound
I
out.
can read the directions because me and Amber were playing before. And we
know
messed up.
we know exactly what it is.
Yeah, we didn't really get it right, so now we can know exactly how to play and exactly what to do.
And if you guys want to play too with us and
Yeah.
make up stuff, then listen to the directions.
Okay. This lighting is terrible. Can you like close something? It's like terrible here. We have bad lighting.
I know what it is. Oh, that's the best lighting.
Okay, I'll just be like this. So,
No, turn the door. Oh yeah. Is that better?
No.
Turn that one. No, turn. Like it's coming from the.
It's still terrible. Oh, my hair broke.
Is that better?
I'm turning the opposite way on the camera. I don't like this. Okay, so let's just read the directions already. Okay. This is what the cards are. Channel. And we're playing a game. Record.
Go all the way back to my mom's house.
My phone?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So.
Hey, you can't even see me.
Yeah, because you have to turn the opposite way. Opposite way. When you're trying to turn. Okay. So, acting out. Object of the game. Players must perform 2 cards exactly at the same time, and their BFFs guess what they are doing before time runs out. BFFs must guess at least 2 words for each card. Rules of play. Player picks 1 act card out and 1 sound out card. They may have 1 minute to think of ways to perform the cards. When the player is ready, the timer is turned on. Player must perform both cards exactly at the same time. The round is over when the timer runs out or both cards have been... Oh, I know the timer. I left it at home. I have the timer. I left it at home. I use it as a toothbrush timer now. Oh, that explains why my teeth are rotten. Nah. No. Okay, so
Matty!
I'm not done explaining the rules. The round is over when the timer runs out and both cards have been guessed properly. Act out cards. Penaltyamba blah. Pantonomia and oh, wait a second. Panto. Oh, your eyes are matching today. Okay. Yeah. He's right here. Oh, you're at me, baby. Turn around. Yeah, okay. Okay. So. Oh. That's all. So I'll go first. No, I'm not bad. Okay, hold your baby. He's falling backwards.
Okay, all of them.
Wow! I'm scared. That was such a...
I like the baby, go to baby.
Oh, man, I look terrible without it. Okay, where is it, this lighting?
It's from the sun, the beautiful sun.
It died. Oh, okay, it didn't die. I'll put my feet up. That's too hard. Okay, so you pick 2 cards. Act out, and sound. Oh, I can move this way. Act out and sound. How do I do this? Act out. Sound out. I'll do the act out. Okay, got it. No, you have to do it. I'll take 2 cards. Well, this is easy. I'll go first. I put them in order so we could just pick 2. It took me 10 hours to put them in order. And after this video, we are going to be doing a video about... Shut up, baby. I'm trying to talk. After this video, we are going to be doing challenges, and we are going to play with Shopkins. He said Shopkins!
He's like Shopkins. That's what he said.
He's gotta kill him, though.
He's like Shopkins.
Okay. Okay. This is funny. Okay.
Ow! He's biting! Ow! Here, bite your own finger. Here, give me your finger.
Okay.
In your mouth. And bite it!
I don't know what things are, so this is gonna be hard. Okay. Oh, doggy, let's wash you up. Doggy. I'm so handsome. I'm so handsome.
A dozen jocks giving a dog a bath.
Oh, you looked.
No, I didn't.
How would you know that then?
I don't know.
That was like mind blowing.
Oh, let me do mine. Oh, I just showed you.
I didn't say it. I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at the camera the whole time.
Oh.
My makeup was out. Oh, I have like wait. I have like a rounding around my lips because
She was Miranda singing.
yesterday. I'm the best at her. So yeah. So subscribe to Miranda. Subscribe to Miranda. And yesterday I did my makeup all beautiful. I have to show you a pic. Don't touch me. People.
Alright, so let me do mine. 5 times 10. 5 times 10. What am I doing? Taking the shower and
doing multiplication.
doing your math homework. No? Teaching.
What?
That was hard. Like the same teacher. Like your favorite teacher.
Your favorite teacher? She doesn't do that. Ooh, there's so much bad lighting. Can we do this on the couch or something?
Come on.
I'll turn it. Yeah, let's turn it. Okay, move your dumb feet. We'll do it like this. There's not a lot of good. There's better lighting. Okay. You saw that.
What?
Move. I'm reading. I can't sing like a thing. Blah, blah, blah.
Screeching.
No.
Screeching like a monkey. Blow drying your hair and singing.
Like what?
Princess.
Like a fairy princess. See.
Fairy princesses do not do
Sing.
that.
Blow dry your hair and sing like a fairy princess. These are really fun cards.
Let me take one.
No! I'm putting them down. That was like sleepy. Pick 2.
1, 2. Ah! I can't. You do it first.
Oh, it's all over. Okay, you're close. I'll just say. Sound like thunderstorm. Wow, blank, blank.
We're making a bath. We're making a bath.
A bubble bath.
Bubble bath.
Bubble bath.
Oh,
Bubble
no.
bath. Okay.
Alright,
Oh, so
mine
let
is
me show you.
weird.
Let me just show her something.
Mine's weird. Go.
Okay, so it says, like, when you sound out, you read the card, and then on the bottom it says, while you act out. So you're reading this, and then when you read it, it says while you act out, and then this says while you sound out. See? While you sound. I don't know where my mom got these. She got them a long time ago. And I know, I opened the packaging, like when I was little. And then...
Alright, let me do mine.
Ah! Okay, wait. Okay.
You're never probably gonna get this.
I know. I could read your mind. One of them is milk a cow, and the other one is just do it.
Mom, I don't have my homework. I forgot it at school.
Oh, making an excuse not to do your homework. And milk a cow.
How do you know?
Because I read your card.
You're so... Don't do that.
I saw milk a cow. Like, you were like, read it, read it. No, you were just like that.
Oh, my God, it's a four.
Okay. Oh, I need something. Wait. Stay here.
Oh, God, I can't do this. You go first.
I know I am. Oh wait, why am I singing? I'm not supposed to be singing. Oh, I'm not supposed to be singing.
Folding
Oh, you can see my sign. How small I am. I'm super skinny.
Folding laundry.
I'm just kidding. Yes, and what am I doing?
Barking.
Like a wolf.
Dog.
What kind of dog?
Wolf.
A little dog! I don't get why they put little dog. It's furry! It's sturdy, so I'll need it.
Alright, let me do mine.
You're having a baby. And you're on a roller coaster.
What?
Wait, you need to see what she's doing. Oh, I'm moving. I can move this way. Do it again. Show the camera. Show the camera. What does she look like? You're having a baby.
No!
Oh, take your pants wrong.
No! Ride a scary roller coaster won't make your acceptance speech on Miss America. I can't do that.
That was so easy. Here.
No.
Woo! Woo! Oh, look, whose is better and more understanding? Woo!
Flying.
Thank you. Thank you. I thank you for making me Blanca Blanca.
Miss America?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, now there's two. That one. Right. What happened? My orange got disorganized. My card got disorganized. Okay.
Oh, God!
Oh, these are the same ones again that you put back on the top. You're not supposed to do that.
Sorry.
Ooh. No, that's not my act. I'm just saying this is good. Your mind will be blown by my amazing acting. So let me just go get my props. Okay. I'm taking these cards and I'm reading. Hello. Oh, the seat's warm.
Yeah, because my butt's warm.
Get off! 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 Hello. Let me just do my stupid act already. How are they supposed to see my beautiful face? Okay. So come closer.
Pillow fight. Monkey pillow fight.
Kinda.
Excited monkey pillow fight.
Yes. Ooh, ah, ah.
You want me to do it again?
Sure.
My arms are itchy.
You spit boogers on me.
No, I didn't.
I'm just kidding. Share!
No.
Then I'm shooting down this. Goodbye, people.
No, you don't.
Oh my god, that's really long.